Exactly, Bhavtosh, and that's exactly what we were discussing. This is a big breaking news coming in, viewers. There is no procedural illegality in the arrest. That's what the Supreme Court says. They say there is no violation of Section 41A. Bhavtosh continues to be live with us. Bhavtosh, take us through what's happening in the SC. SC, of course, making a big statement saying that there was no procedural illegality in the arrest.
Yes, that's a very big news because since the time he has been arrested on 26 June, there were in fact a lot of opposition leaders, including Aam Aadmi Party, that had dubbed the arrest as illegal. The court, for the first time, the apex court, the top court of the country, has said that Arvind Kejriwal arrest is legal. In fact, there is another development that our legal editor Harish is giving us. It's now Supreme Court is now going into the aspect of the bail. Justice Kant is saying that we have taken into consideration prolonged incarceration. It looks he will get the bail. We have considered personal liberty issue. 4 supplementary charge sheet has been filed. Trial court has taken cognizance of the same. Completion of the trial is unlikely in future. So most probably, Meenakshi, he will be getting bail. So it's a big relief for Aam Aadmi Party, for Delhi Chief Minister, who continues to with the Chief Minister, Arvind Kejriwal.
Yes.
Most likely will be getting bail. Justice Kant is saying that the completion of trial is unlikely in future. 4 supplementary charge sheets have been filed. A total 5 charge sheets have been filed by the Supreme Court. We have considered the issue of personal liberty. The fact remains, Meenakshi, that all accused in this case, all 18 accused in this case who have been arrested are out on bail, except Amandeep Singh Dhal. That issue is very different from all the other accused in this case. Yesterday, Vinod Chauhan also managed to get bail. So Arvind Kejriwal would be stepping out of Tihar jail, but every other thing that Aam Aadmi Party and others have said that the arrest by CBI was illegal has now been in fact dismissed by the Supreme Court. Supreme Court today has said that the arrest is legal.
And big breaking news coming in, Bhavtosh. You were